Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update Windows on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To update your Windows, make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi. So check your control center and see if you are connected. Then go to the Start menu, open Settings, and in Settings, select Windows Update tab. Here, click Check for Updates and let your device check for available updates. Additionally, you can go to Advanced Options in here and then find Optional Updates. Here you will find both optional Windows updates and also driver updates, which are very important. So I recommend selecting the driver updates by hitting the checkbox next to them and clicking Download and Install. Now, these Windows updates are optional, so it's totally up to you whether or not you want to install them. But generally speaking, once your device detects an update, it will automatically start to download and install it. And once the update is installed, sometimes you're going to need to restart your computer, and you'll be notified about it on this page if you do. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.